All right, so look at example 1. Here, we're going to add fractions. So what do we have to find? Least common denominator. So just like before, look at your denominators. Look at the first one. Can you do anything to that one? Can you factor it down? They have a common factor, right? Greatest common factor of A. So we're going to take that out, which remember means we divide by it. And what does that leave me with?
A minus 2.
All right, now look at what we have. A times A minus 2. Can I do anything with that? No. All right, so look at the second fraction then. It's just an A. Can we do anything there? No, so I'm just going to bring it down just so it's at the same level. And then I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it. So now I have A over A times A minus 2 plus 4 over A. Okay, so now let's find that least common denominator. Remember, it's what you're going to have to multiply by to get rid of a fraction. So what am I going to multiply by to get rid of that first fraction there? A and an A minus 2. Okay, second fraction. What am I going to multiply to get rid of that one? Do I already have an A up there by itself?
No.
Yes, I do. That A at the very beginning, right there.
It's not attached to it.
It's not attached to anything because it's A and then parenthesis. That A minus 2 is attached. It's inside the parenthesis right there, but the A in front is by itself. So that A that we're looking for, that'll work for it, okay? So don't put it a second time. So there's our least common denominator. And what we're going to multiply by. All right, so let's start simplifying here. Let's multiply. So my first fraction, I had an A and an A minus 2 in the denominator. I need to cancel out. So I'm going to cancel out the A and the A minus 2. What are we left with? 8. Nothing on the outside, so just the 8 that's inside, right? Okay, plus. My second fraction, I need to get rid of that A in the denominator. So I'm going to cancel out an A. What's left outside?
A minus 2.
All right, so I got A minus 2. It's together, so put it in parentheses, times the 4 on the inside. Now, what's wrong with this piece right here that I just put the scribble above?
You have to distribute.
We like our single term in the front, don't we? So I'm just going to rewrite this. I'm not going to do any work except I'm going to put the 4. I'm going to switch the A minus 2 and the 4 around. So it's going to be 4 times A minus 2 right there. Everything else I'm going to keep the same. All right, so let's keep going. What can I do now?
Distribute.
Okay, can't do anything with that 8, so I'm just going to bring it over. And what am I going to distribute?
4.
The positive 4, okay?
Yeah.
Positive 4 times A is?
4.
And positive 4 times negative 2?
Minus 8.
Over. Now don't try to multiply that denominator because remember, our goal is to try to get things to cancel, right? So we can always multiply later if we needed to, but it's factored out all the way. If anything's going to be able to cancel, it'll be when I get through factoring the top. So let's keep going because we still got work to do in the numerator there.
We can do the 8 and the 8.
Okay, combine like terms. So we got a positive 4A, right? And then we got 8 minus 8, which, what is that?
0.
0, they cancel.
So it's just 4A.
So it's just 4A over A times A minus 2.
You can take an A out of it.
Well, hold on. Can I do anything else at the top?
No.
Nope. Can I do anything else at the bottom?
No.
No. Now, can I do anything to both?
Yes.
Yes. The top has an A and the bottom has an A that is not attached, right? It's not A plus 2, or A minus 2, excuse me. It's just an A out there in front. It's A times. So we can, what's A divided by A?
1.
They canceled, it's 1. So what's left on top?
4.
And what's left on bottom?
A minus 2.
Can we do anything else?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right, good. That's it.